Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys one of the most popular and famous Pokemon of all time, and that is Charizard. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Charizard, I'm going to begin right here. And I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back here like a check mark. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes over and then up for the eye, with a little line that comes down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up like this. And I'm going to put another one right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go back. It's going to come to a rounded point and then down. And one right here that's going to go up. It's going to come to a rounded point and down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and down and up again. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up and down. Over here, I'm going to add a little curved line for the nose. I'm going to make a small bump and then another little curved line right here. And right here, I'm going to draw a line down and then a little line right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down for the mouth. And we'll just bring this line up to finish it off. We'll draw a line that comes down, and then it goes back up for the tongue with a little line down. Right here, we'll make a line that goes down. It's going to come up, and it's going to curve around here for the jaw. We'll also add two little V shapes right there for the teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And I'll make another line that's going to come down here for the neck. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this a little bit longer. Then right here, I'm going to draw kind of like a smiley face for the chest. Right about here, we're going to draw a line that goes out with a little bump. And we're going to bring it out here. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that comes out here for the arm. Then we'll make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve around. I'll make a little line that's going to curve around here, and it's going to connect back to here for the hand. We'll put a little claw on each end. And I'm going to make another little bump here with another little claw. Over here, I'm going to draw a line right to the jaw. We'll make this line come out. We'll make a line that goes up, and it's going to curve around for one finger. Then we'll make this line go down, and it's going to come up. We'll add a claw on each one. We'll make the next finger curve around here with a little claw. Next, we'll bring it right down to here. Right here, I'm going to bring this line up and over here to the chest. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. We'll leave some space, and I'll make a line that's going to come up, and it'll go right up to about here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up. We'll make a line that goes down and comes to a point and back up. One more here, and one more here. Starting here, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. We'll make a line that goes down and then comes up. And I'll bring this one all the way up. We'll make this one a little longer. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, another one that goes down and up, and one more that goes down and up. We'll also add a little claw at the end of each one of these. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down here, show a little bit of different color on his stomach. Now I want to add the wings. I'll start here by drawing a line that goes up, and then it's going to come in and then up again. We'll make a little point right here. Then I'm going to go out, down, and out like this. Then I'm just going to kind of redraw the same shape all the way around here. I'm just going to bring it all the way around to here, and then we'll come to a little bit of a point. Now I'm going to start here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. It's going to come to a point, and it's going to go up and down here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go back down after it comes to a point. It'll be a little bit higher than this one. Next, we want to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to go down, and then down again. I'll bring this one to a point, and I'm just going to kind of redraw the same shape. We're going to go over to here and bring it right down. I'll start at the end here. We'll go up and down. Then we'll just go up and then down to here. Then I'm going to add a little line up here and a little line right here. Now the last thing we want to do is add Charizard's tail. So we'll begin right here by making a little line that's going to go up to the arm. We'll just kind of hover over it, and we'll make another line here. We'll kind of hover over this and bring a line that's going to go up, a little bit of a rounded point, and then down. Next, we'll jump over this. I'm going to bring it down to the arm. We'll just kind of hover over it, and we'll bring it back down here, make it a little bit wider as it comes down. Now we just want to add the fire onto the tail. So I'm just going to make a little line that's going to kind of wiggle around to a point. Then I'm going to make it come to another point, and one more here, and then we'll bring it down. Put another point here, one more here, and then bring it down to there. Now just for a couple details, I'm going to add a little line right here and a little line coming down the neck. And I'll also add a little tooth here and then one more here. And I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. And there you go. There is your drawing of Charizard flying in the air. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.